Okay, in this video we're going to look at how to convert a recurring decimal into fractions. Now, the first thing we need to know is what this and this mean. That tells us that our number has a recurring 2 and that the 5 is the last recurring number. The 3 also recurs. You need dots above the first and last numbers that recur. I'm going to call this number x. Now, because there are 3 digits which recur, the 2, the 3 and the 5, I'm going to multiply by 1000. And if I've done it neatly, I should have the digits which recur on top of each other from the x and the 1000x. I've chosen my 1000 because there were 3 recurring digits. The 2, the 3 and the 5. If there had been 2 recurring digits, I'd have used 100. If there had been 1 recurring digit, I'd have used 10. Now, I can subtract x from 1000x. And to do that, I need to subtract 0.1235235235235 from 123.5235235235. Most of it is going to disappear. We're going to have 5 take away 1 after the decimal point, 123 take away 0 in front of it. And that, of course, is the same as 999x. If I divide both sides by 999, I get 123.4 over 999. And because we don't like decimals and fractions, we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by 10, keeping it as an equivalent fraction, but making both the numerator and the denominator whole numbers. And finally, I'm going to look for any common factors between the numerator and denominator and simplify my fraction. 1234 is a multiple of 2, as is 9990. So I can divide the top and the bottom by 2, and I get 617 on the top and 4995 on the bottom. And that was what the question had in the first place, so I'm done. Another way you can check is by doing long division. 617 divided by 4995. To do that, you probably want to list your 4995 times tables on the side somewhere. Okay, having done that, I can see straight away I'm going to need some decimal points, decimal places. I'm going to to put those in a different colour. And I can see straight away that 4,995 is not going to go into 617, so automatically I'm going to get a 0 there. I've now got 4,995 divided by 6,170. You can ignore that decimal point for now. I need 1. One lot of 4,995 is 4,995. And if I do my subtraction, I get now I bring down my next 0. I'm looking for how many 4,995s go into 11,750. That from my list is 2. 2 times 4,995 is 9,990. I'll do my subtraction again. And then I bring down my next 0. Now I'm looking for how many 4,995s in 17,600. That's 3. 3 times 4,995 is 14,985. I do my subtraction again. And I bring down my next 0. Looking for how many 4,995s go into 26,150. That looks like 5. 5 times 4,995 is 24,975. And I do my subtraction. And then I bring down my next 0, which gives me 11,750. If I notice, 11,750 was what I had earlier. So I know I'm going to get a 2 again. And because I had it earlier, I'm going to go through the whole process again. Everything that I've done here is going to get repeated. So I'm going to end up with a 3 here, and a 5, and so on, and it's going to go on forever. So I've checked, and 617 divided by 4,995 is indeed 0.1235235235235 forever, i.e. 0.1235 recurring.